Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Binance. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance app, then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on the Spot option and here you will see USDT. So you need to simply tap on it and then tap on the withdrawal option. Now after tapping on withdrawal, it will give you two different options. The first is of send via crypto network and the second one is of send via email, phone number and ID. So we need to work with the second option, that would be the sending from Binance to Binance with zero fees. So you need to simply tap on that and then you will be landed on this page where you need to provide the Binance ID of that person to whom you want to send the USDT. So in the Binance ID you need to provide that Binance ID. After that you need to enter the withdrawal amount and then you need to tap on the send option in the bottom. On the next page it may ask you for the review, and if you have enabled any of the security features you will have to provide the codes as well. Then your transfer will be initiated and you will be able to transfer your USDT from Binance to Binance. If this video helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment and subscribe for more crypto related content. See you in the next one.